The GC110 Bavaria 2 gastronomic display case assembly. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and the back panels of the package. Warning! There are the front windows, a decorative panel, a protective bumper, a window stop on the display case. Remove the display pallets from the rack. Warning! Inside the display case there are accessories, lights, racks, side windows, shelves, shelf supports, sachets, metalwares. Remove the air duct grill. Unscrew the M12 bolts, 4 pieces. Screw in the adjustable M12 supports, 4 pieces. Remove the display case from the pallet and align it with the adjustable supports. Install the side and the center racks with the M6 screws, 2 pieces per rack. Tighten the racks to the frame with washers, 2 pieces per rack, and M6 to 20 screws, 1 piece per rack. Tighten the outside racks to the side panels with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 1 piece per rack. Install the decorative panel holders with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the front decorative panel. Install the window stop. Attach the decorative panel with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. Install the air duct grill by attaching it to the box with self-tapping screws. Install the pallets, having removed the protective film beforehand. Attach the shelf supports to the racks with the M6 to 16 combi screws, 4 pieces, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the side window holders, 2 pieces per rack, and the center one, 4 pieces per rack, with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, having removed the protective film beforehand. Warning! The self-tapping screws mustn't be tightened completely. Install the lights, having removed the protective film beforehand. Tighten the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws completely on the lamp. Insert the connector into the lamp. Install the side windows. Install the shelves inside the display case. Install the front windows. Install the protective cover on the lamp wire, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the profile under the sachets with the double-side tape, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the top windows. Install the sachets, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the bumper holder with the 4 to 32 self-tapping screws. Install the protective bumper with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws. The GC110 Bavaria 2 gastronomic display case now is ready for use.